In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can change a default transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have my project here and I have a video. And as you can see, I made some cuts here. And if I now hover with my selection tool, hover over these cuts, I get this red icon and I can right click with my mouse and choose Apply Default Transitions. And now, because I have my default transition set to, let me show you, I'm going to zoom in and you can see, to cross dissolve, every time I choose to apply a default transition, it will be a cross dissolve. And then I can edit it here in the effect controls. But say you want something else as a default transition. Let's go to the effects window. If it isn't visible, you can go to window and then select effects. And here in effects, I'm going to choose video transitions, and then whatever you want to use as a transition, maybe you want a dissolve. The cross dissolve here, as you can see, it has this blue border around it because that's the one that is set as a default transition. Let's say you want to dip to white. If you then select dip to white and you right click it, you can choose to set as a default transition. And now you can see this one has gotten the blue border and the cross dissolve doesn't anymore. And if you now hover on top of the point where you want to apply it, you right click and then you say apply default transitions. As you can see, it is now dip to white because we changed the default transition we want to use. So it's just as easy as that. Go to your effects window, choose which transition you want to use as a default transition, then right click it and set as default transition, and you can use it in the entire project by just right clicking where you want to add it and Premiere Pro will add it for you. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative and I hope to see you in the next one.